Hi, I'm Heather Humphrey, co-founder of Alder and Tweed. Welcome to our new offices. So we accented this paneling with this beautiful melange sconce from Visual Comfort with a beautiful alabaster glass and dark bronze. Isn't it gorgeous? Here we are in our first floor gallery that leads to our main level conference room. Check out this beautiful paneling in Sherwin-Williams iron ore. I love how glossy it is. And then our art lights from Visual Comfort. And what we're planning to do with this is to take beautiful photographs of different projects and show them off here. Here we are at our conference room, and take a look at this beautiful custom table we made of black mist quartzite on this fluted base that's made of rift cut oak. I just swoon over this, it's gorgeous. So we use this wood veneer wallpaper from Philip Jeffries. We think it's really gorgeous, and we love the color, but it still feels neutral. And it offsets this piece of art, this custom piece of art that we found in Paris. And this is another member of the melange family from Visual Comfort. We really love the softness of this light and how clean and contemporary it feels. And we love the way that it offsets the oak paneling that we put on the ceiling. Since we don't have any natural light in this conference room, we thought it was really important to do something to let the light in. So we created this beautiful glass and metal wall with the horizontal panels to really set it off and bring the light in and make the room feel more open. Check out this bathroom. I just love this vanity. We made it from calcutta marble and 5-inch thick. It's gorgeous, adds some weight here. Offset by this faucet by roll, which is really clean lined but very elegant. We incorporated this tile backsplash to bring in a little color. I love the faint color of green, but it still feels very neutral. And then the tile just has a nice pattern, which gives it some texture. My favorite thing in this bathroom probably is this light. I think it's very fun and whimsical. It's the Cleo pendant from Visual Comfort. And I just love, you can see the little marble finial, which kind of is mirrored in our countertop. And then this mirror is from Arteriors. It has a nice depth and texture in metal.